So in this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Huawei Band 10 via the Huawei Health app. So for this, you have to ensure that you've launched the Health app on your Android phone or on your iPhone. Then from here, you want to tap on Devices, then select your Huawei Band 10. Next, scroll until you find this option, Restore Factory Settings, and select it. Then confirm that you wish to restore the Huawei Band 10 back to its factory settings, so thereby erasing all the data that's connected. So just tap on Restore to confirm, and then wait for the process to complete itself. During this process, you'll also need to forget this device on your iPhone. So just go to on your Android phone. So just go to your settings, then select Bluetooth, look for your Huawei Band 10, and then just forget the device. And once you've done that, it means that you've successfully performed a factory reset via the Huawei Health app for your Huawei Band 10. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.